Escaping the cold winter of Europe, I visited Bangkok in January. During my visit, I hopped on a day tour to Damnoen Saduak floating market and the Maeklong railway market. The first stop of the tour was the Damnoen Saduak floating market. It is located roughly 2 hours from Bangkok. In the past, daily commerce in Thailand was conducted mostly along rivers and canals, or klongs in Thai. Bangkok's water network was busy and served as the principal means of communication, causing Bangkok to be called as the Venice of the East by early European visitors. Damnoen Saduak floating market in Ratchaburi is one of the most popular floating markets in Thailand. Every day many Thai and foreign tourists travel here to shop, eat, and absorb the atmosphere of Thailand water markets that have been like this for over 100 years. Klong Damnoen Saduak is the straightest and longest canal in Thailand. The canal was built on royal initiative as King Rama IV of Thailand wanted to link the Maeklong River with Chinese riverways to support transportation and trade. It took over 2 years to dig, and was eventually finished under the reign of his successor King Rama V. The canal is 32 kilometers long and has more than 200 branches. Damnoen Saduak floating market's popularity grew to new heights in 1971 to 1973 when the river was full of farmers on their boats selling their wares. And that is the way trade is performed in this area until today. The canals here are not very wide. There could be times when making turns that you encounter some form of congestion. At times, there were minor collisions. This makes the ride more interesting. I do feel safe along the ride. If you would like to take a look at the wares by the canal, you can request that they make a brief stop at the side. Similar to many Thai markets, do remember to make a bargain and not settle at the first price quoted. Here, they sell food, drinks and mostly handicrafts. After lunch, we headed over to the Maeklong railway market. The guide told us that long means drum in Thai while make means mother. This would then mean Maeklong, would loosely translates to mother of drums. The market is about 40 minutes away from the floating market. The origin of the Maeklong market goes back to even before the arrival of the train in Thailand. When the track was constructed in 1905, the market, instead of relocating, continued to operate on the lines just as it does to this day. The most striking fact about the market is that, despite being visited by hundreds of tourists every day, it's still a 100% local market. You'll find meat, fish, fruit and vegetables, all sold and consumed by locals. What makes this market so special is that all the stalls occupy a very narrow stretch of train track. Every time a train passes, it sounds the horn, and all the sellers pick up their wares in a matter of seconds. And as soon as the train has passed, within seconds everything is back in its place, just as though nothing had happened.
Another yellow wind has punched a hole in the nighttime mist. I climb through the window and down to the street. I'm shining like a new dime. The downtown trains are full of all them Brooklyn girls. They try so hard to break out of their little world. You wave your hand and they scatter like crows. They have nothing that'll ever capture your heart. They're just thorns without the rose. Be careful out there in the dark. Oh, if I was the one you chose.
The train will stop at the Maeklong station for about an hour. After that the train will head to Bangkok. Our guide reminded us not to board the train to Bangkok. This is because the train ride from Maeklong to Bangkok will take about 6 hours. That is indeed a long train ride. In the meantime, let's board the train and see how the inside of this train looks like.
I know your window and I know it's late. I know your stairs and your doorway. I'll walk down your street and past your gate. I stand by the light of the four-way. You watch them as they fall. Oh, baby, they are having their heart attacks. They stare at the carnival, but they'll never win you back. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? Every night is just the same. You leave me lonely. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? All my dreams fall like rain on a downtown train. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? Every night is just the same. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? All my dreams fall like rain on a downtown train. On a downtown train. All my dreams fall